John Powell Jr., Powell Engineering. This is the model EP Shaftless Unwind. This particular machine is a 60-inch diameter, 72 inches wide. It's a standard EP in that it has no edge guiding, no exit idler roller. It does have the electric handheld pendant. It's equipped with Ray CX250 brakes and 3-inch DF2000 core chucks. All the model EPs are 10,000 pound capacity when we have a 60, 72, or 84-inch diameter. We do make a 93, 100, and 114-inch diameter, but these machines are limited to 6,000 pounds capacity. The machine features the eccentric pivot design in that the main cross tube is not the pivoting point. The pivot point is lower to the floor, and their pivot points are located on each floor plate and the unions of the lower legs and the arms. As you can see, the load of the Model EP is primarily borne with the hydraulic cylinders, and the wheels which ride on the floor are a prepared surface on the floor. The wheels are steel coated with urethane. This urethane was selected for its hardness and durability to hold up under such an application. Having the load over the wheels in this nature allows us to have no spring in the unwind, and it's quite stable for non-concentric loads. The Model EP has a main cross tube which is surrounded by UHMW guide pads. These guide pads are responsible for keeping the arms aligned with each other, therefore keeping the chucks aligned. Basically, they just go along for the ride, keeping everything straight. The main loads are borne on the wheel and the lift cylinders. All of our shaftless unwinds, as far as that are EP designation, Model EP, Model EP Junior, have in the lift circuit a check valve that's hard plumbed. That's hard piping all the way to the base of the cylinder. This is a check valve. It's a screw-in body. The purpose of this being hard plumbed and the check valve being located here on each cylinder is just to prevent any unexpected lowering of a stand. The way this is plumbed and the way this is sized, you can cut any hose on this machine, any one hose on this side, and the other side will be sufficient to hold the loaded roll. So the Model EP, as far as manipulating the roll, lifting the roll, has just three basic functions, which are up, down, so just lower and raise. Typically the dip is only just a few inches just to go down to core level and pick it up, but it will go down much closer to the floor. And then of course open and close. With open and close, we've got the button I spoke of earlier. You push the red button, which is "Are you sure?" and we can close it or open it. Typically, like I said before, this thing does run a little faster. We're just using a test power pack instead of the actual unit that ships with it because of power requirements in our plant. And then the right-left function, very simple.